Good day, good day. It's your boy, better yet, your man, markel prines, Mr. RVADelivered.com, and I'm back at it again with another quick affiliate marketing website review video using one of my favorite traffic sources, which is trafficadbar.com. And it's one of my favorite traffic sources, but it's not for the reason that you might think it is for. So in this video right here, we're going to clip through a couple of websites just to see what they're looking like. And of course, once again, the purposes of doing this is to kind of get a deeper dive into affiliate marketing when it comes to the website side of the game. Now, this site right here, Traffic Ad Bar, is one of my favorite websites, and it's for the purpose of doing exactly this: checking out other affiliate marketers, their websites. So basically looking at the competition and seeing exactly how I can make my ads, my, landing pages, my capture pages, whatever title you want to give your website, your funnels, how you can actually make those better and be able to convert when you actually going on different traffic sources. Maybe you're doing some Microsoft ads, Google ads, or you're doing some marketing on Facebook or YouTube or different things like that. So sometimes we come across products and services that's intended for one thing, and then we find alternate uses for it. Now, I'm gonna honestly tell you that on this traffic source right here, you may be able to convert people into sales, into customers, into your main business by having your site appear on here. But I don't think that, honestly, I haven't been using it for a while, so I can't really tell you like any good results, but I haven't had any conversions. And I'm gonna just show you something real quick right here. I've actually been getting a lot of kind of views. So today alone, I'm ranked at number 10 right now, so I have 336 views. Now, this site right here actually allows you to put up to 5 links, and it's absolutely free. So you can put 5 links, and then it's kind of like in this rotator type of system where, as you're going to see, what we're going to do, we're going to click through a couple of websites before we get to a site that we actually want to look at. So you'll be able to see the process. So as you can see right here from my previous click, it gave me 5 points. So each ad that you click on give you a certain amount of points. Sometimes it's 5, sometimes it's 2, it look like, and you hit a bigger bonus when you get a certain amount. So usually it starts off at 25 clicks before you get like a big bonus, and that helps you every time you do a click. That basically earns you a view on your own personal website. So it's good for getting your website out there for exposure, whatever product and service you're promoting. So let's get into what we actually came here to do, which is look at a couple of these websites and get a few good ideas of how we can possibly make our websites, our web pages look a little bit better, and maybe it might give us a little bit more confidence in what we are currently doing with our websites. So if you're already making websites and web pages and lead capture pages, and you don't think that your work is good, and you just weren't wondering to yourself, man, is this any good? Like, I'm a novice, I'm just a beginner at this, but how does my stuff really look compared to other affiliate marketers? So this can actually kind of give you the confidence to say, damn, I ain't doing that bad. So let's click through a couple of these sites. And as you can see, if the particular person's website loads up fast enough, you'll be able to see their site. But as you saw the timer, the countdown, you only have to visit the site for 10 seconds. So that's one of the first things that I noticed. And that's one thing that you guys should notice as affiliate marketers. The quality of your website, the load speed in particular. So you see how long it took for this website to load up. It could be my internet, or it could be the actual website itself that's bogged down that, depending on what server they're using, it could be that it's not a real good server or platform to be able to, generate websites that load up fast. So that's one thing that you could get right from that. So right off top, we got a little better insight. And that's what I want you to kind of use this program and all the other different tools that you might find online. I want you to be able to use them in a multi-purpose type of way. So they may be, meant for one thing, but you can find other ways to really use it to your advantage. And that's how you become a real successful affiliate marketer, or be able to stand out from the rest. Because if everybody's using the same strategy and system, then nobody's special. It's kind of like the McDonald's thing again. If there's 10 different McDonald's, none of them are special because you already know how the burger gonna be. The burger should taste the same at one McDonald's to the other nine. The only difference would be in the location, customer service, the cleanliness of the place, and how fresh your food is actually made. And things like that will determine, out of those 10 regular same everyday McDonald's, which one that you would prefer to visit and spend your money with. So that's kind of what this allows you to do. Be able to step out of the box and set yourself aside from other affiliate marketers. So that's part of the purpose in what we're doing here. So real quick, since we're on this website right here, I'm not going to make this video too much longer. I'm trying to keep all the videos under 7 minutes if I can. But one thing about me is that I become long-winded, but that's all right. Hopefully this video right here became a value to you, and I'll see you on the next video. All of the links will be in the description. Learn how to make money from home for free. Have a great rest of your day.